Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can turn off content sync on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on profile in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to scroll down and you simply need to click on help and click on report a problem and click on report a problem, and here you need to click on include and continue, and then you need to write to the Instagram team that my content sync option is missing, so kindly help me getting that. And after that, the Instagram team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.